Let me call on the next person to speak to us. Madam Ame Bright. I'll pick a call after Madam. Madam Ame Bright, good evening to you, man. Thanks for joining us. Please talk to us.
Good evening, Mr. Elvis. Thank you very much. May your strength not fail you. My greetings to my fellow panelists and all the obedience and the obedience people. If I have to come in here about our Excellence Peter Obi speech, but for him respecting this Tinubu or these elders, calling them chief, telling them to go and bring the certificate. What certificate is Tinubu going to prove? He has nothing to prove. He can't come out to prove. And we expect Peter Obi to tell him to step down and not to come and prove anything. Nothing to prove. He has nothing. My question will still continue. If I have to go to the Igbo groups, I didn't listen very well. Maybe they are in support of Tinubu, as with my thought. There's nothing Tinubu cannot do. And also to that lady who was vomiting, I don't know, I don't want to use insultive words here, in support of Tinubu. There's nobody that Tinubu cannot buy if you are sellable. There's nobody he cannot buy any amount. He will be ready to. And everybody is hungry to collect. To come back to our lawyers, if we are still expecting Supreme Court to judge for us, waiting for something positive to come out from us, I don't know what we are still waiting for. If a judge can steal for somebody who buys somebody in the court to defend for somebody, a murderer, what are we expecting from these people? What do they go to school to learn? I'll be saying it. What are we expecting from them? Seeing what the tribunal have done. What else? The Supreme Court, they were not there. We should not expect something from them. And we should not expect that our excellency, as decent as he is, to tell us to go out and fight. He will not tell us to go and fight. We have said it. He has made the speech open for us to come out and talk. We should know what he means. He can't say go and fight. That will never come out from our excellence. We should not use our sense to grow, to know what we want, and move out. Look at all these people, as my brothers and sisters have been asking, all the pastors, elders, chiefs, and all of the imams. Where are they, all of them? Our obas, I don't know, we say obas, they don't take part in politics. But if I have to think it, when they are doing election, most of these people fighting to be a leader, contesting for a leadership, when they want to go to any part of Nigeria, they don't go to the obas to pay homage to them. So why can't they talk? I don't know. Why can't they talk? If I have to think about my brother Haruna, Guru, and I could also say on this our brother Magnus Oraka. Oh, if you see their body movement, if you can look at them just as we are looking at one another here now, or speaking with another, we are not looking. Those ones looking at them, they come out openly to talk. If you can see their body movement, if it is possible for Oraka, now for Haruna and Oraka to, if they can be able to mark a brigada to change Nigeria to what it's supposed to be, those people will do it. The same thing with Dele Farotimi. The same thing with the LP speaker, Okonkwo, our lawyer. They can do it. What are we waiting? What are we still waiting for? We Africans, you know. Obi will not tell us to go and fight. He will not go. And according to our brother from the northern part, saying that most of those senators, governors, all of them, and really, apart from the time of war time or when there was a free education for those our few good leaders then that give them free education, and many of them still go through who I know to get their certificate, genuine. But there are many fake ones. Then they were all used to forge a certificate. All those ones that enter into politics these days, they don't have anything. Get into the politics, having money now, they go and get a private teacher or go and forge certificate. Many of them are forgers. How will they not support the people to cover up their nyash? They will surely support them. Tinubu is gathering them. He knows them. What is the aim of Tinubu? He was the one that put Buhari into position, and they know what they promised themselves. And he is now the one saying that it is my turn. And this Buhari that was formerly there, I don't know whether the real Buhari, it has been quiet. It was all gang, all these gang that were there. It was fake Buhari that was there with the gangs. And all the promise that he has made with Tinubu is already written down. That one that was representing Buhari now, we follow what they plan. Tinubu is coming to fulfill all the plan with Buhari to support the North, to Islamize us. That is why he's fighting. He said power is not a la carte. You can fight it, grab it, run away with it. That is what he's doing. We can imagine if Tinubu is clear, despite he has run his way to power. If he's really clean, if he has no state or maybe little state, when Tinubu is now trying to escape all this open description on him, if it were to be super, we don't have anything to say. Tinubu will just stay there, ring it for nothing. For Arogola to go and swear Tinubu in, as I've said, I'm still repeating it. Tinubu knows where he is going. He knows that he can handle this thing. I know he knows he can shut our mouth. We cannot do anything because they have been going through it for years. He just tell them to do it and let him handle it himself. And the Arogola, after giving him power, what else do you want? This is what Tinubu is doing now. He said he's sick at the Ato Rock. Do we all forget during the election why this man was pinned in the Pampas on stage? And where his hand and leg were shaking? When he was falling on stage? Did we see it? After he succeeded going into that place, he started going to France to pump himself. He came back strong. Now he's telling you people that he's sick. He might be sick. Don't forget, he has the money. He can fly. He's doctor from Europe to come and treat him there. That's all. No problem for him. But we are not saying he's sick. Let him be able to read through now, go through this problem. You will see Tinubu will come out again, fit again. He is not sick. He's pretending. It is the certificate and something that pull him down. We should not rest. We should wake up and speak. I don't even know all these governor, all these people that are. Don't they have children? Don't they have children? They were able to read their way out. Then we don't have the media. If you talk, then they will close the media. If you want to talk, they close your mouth. We cannot talk. We don't have the means of this, like this platform. That we don't have means. Then they were able to go through. They think it's still the same. They want to do the same with this young youth. And we just keep quiet. Please. I don't really know. Sometimes I don't want to get fed up. I'm not the person that easily get fed up. Please, we should all wake up and do something. We should all wake up and do something. And when I see Oraka speaking, Haruna speaking, I feel everything about him. I feel it also, Haruna Guru, I feel everything with Oraka. I feel it that their feelings they are having is so tough that if they can do anything, they will do it. Please let us wake up. I don't want to talk. We are all here talking. This very soon we'll be short of words. Repeating one thing 100 times. Different, every one of us. Nigeria should wake up, please. Mr. Elvis, you've tried your best. You've tried your very best. I will not blame you if you say in future you cannot continue again. Add 1 year to your age. You will not be. You are growing older. The strength you have today, you will not have it tomorrow. I cannot say the way I was 20 years ago, 10 years ago. That's how I am today now. I'm just managing to follow you people. I'm not so young. I just managing to follow you people. For the young ones, if not for myself, if I can test it good, if not, my children and the younger ones. Please, thank you, Mr. Elvis. I don't have much to say because I'm short of words. God bless
That's fine.
everybody.
Okay.
Yeah.
Thank you very much. Thank you, madam.
Mr. Elvis, sorry, can I quickly say something about
Yeah.
this? So that group, the so-called, in air quotes, Igbo people that this man arranged to come and give speech that does not make sense at all. You know what is going on? Look, you'll be surprised that most of all those people there, they are not even Igbos. Let's assume they are, right? Because we know there are some of them, from the East that also play this whole game with these people. But some of them are not actually Igbo people. All they do is come together. They will just throw out one Igbo name and say Igbo group tells response to Peter Obi. That's what they do because they don't have anybody. They don't have anybody. Okay, all the 8,000 people they say they will claim say vote for this man. Where they don't get. They're only motivated by what they will get from this criminal. I happened to, there was a space on Twitter. It was mostly Agbado minions, right? They were crying, saying that, you know, the obedience have this narrative, you know, they brought this journalist, the guy just was, then the person that was talking was saying, you know, me, I've not collected anything, nobody has given me anything, you know, the people that are getting all this money, they should come out strong and be coming, you know, defending, and have, they want to get spaces like the large obedient spaces in all the social media platforms so they can counteract, but it involves money. This is all these people do. So now when people come and say, oh, Tinubu is this, and they come and they say they are Igbo, they will not throw you Igbo name to make you first say, okay, this one a Igbo person. Now if Igbo person talk, na lie, some of them not be Igbo. Coming to find out, some of them not be Igbo. That not mean say some Igbo people not there when they side with Agbado. We know that. But some of these people not be Igbo. Now, I don't discover be that. I rest. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you. For me, in terms of some of them are Igbo or no Igbo, my concern is we have Igbo people there. They are fake. Some of them sold their souls. That's all. Say some of them are not Igbo and all that. I don't really believe that, because I've seen a lot of people always defending those things. If you see video, people speaking Igbo from beginning to the end, buying people and all that, you see another Igbo person coming to say they are not really Igbo. I don't understand. When you see Yoruba doing something that is so obvious, speaking Yoruba fluently, so you see people coming out, they are not true Yoruba. If you see a Edo person doing the same thing, they are not true Edo person. I don't really believe on that, because many of us have a way of defending our people and all that. Let's say it how it is.
No,
I would prefer to
Mr.
say,
Elvis.
hold on, please, hold on. I would prefer to say that they are Igbo, but they are the sellout Igbos, than they are not Igbo. That word have been too rampant everywhere. When you see anything bad with them, then you gonna see some Igbo people coming out to say they are not Igbo, they are not Biafra, they are not this, they are not that. No, let's say it how it is. If you have children, if you have 5 children, all your children cannot think the same way. That's how it is. If you have family members, all your family members cannot stand it the same way. The same way, if you are Igbo, Edo, Yoruba, Hausa, or whatever, we should also know that, yes, we have betrayers amongst us. So these people are sellout. There was a comment that I put on the screen earlier on. I think that comment was from Glory. I don't know, but I can't find it anymore. You know, he said, I don't know how she put it on, but that comment makes a lot of sense, that it means that these people allow themselves to be bought. They are sellout. Yes, sellout. That makes a lot of sense. Say they not be Igbo, that one I go be. Go ahead. You wanted to say something?
No. So what I want to say, I don't disagree with everything you just said. Now, I'm just speaking on my own observations. Has nothing to do. I'm not Igbo, for instance. You understand? I'm only saying that what I've observed. That does not mean when I was saying that. I also said that does not mean that there are no Igbos that have sold out. That doesn't mean that, but I've observed, and it's been happening, and I've been noticing it. It's not just me, really, that's been noticing it. Even the same way too, if you talk about Edo people, sometimes they want to take a stand, right? Some of them will come under the guise of, but they're not really. That's all I'm trying to point out.
No, I understand you. I really do
Yeah.
understand. Just like the same way people are trying to generalize, saying that all Yorubas, all Yorubas, all Yorubas. I'm not in support of that, and I can never be support of that, because I have a couple of Yoruba people that is joining us on our platform, that is truly aiming for a better Nigeria. And apart from our platform, I have so many consecrated Yorubas, on different other platforms. What about Jimmy, for example? He's a proud Yoruba man that is always speaking for better, how Nigeria can be better. So, but some people just come on air to say, all Yoruba are betrayer, all Yoruba. No, that's the same thing I'm also trying to say, that we have bad Yorubas, we have bad Igbos, we have bad Edos, we have bad Hausa, we have bad in all tribes. We should always say it like that, because you need to see some videos that will be circulating. You see if that video will be 7 minutes or 8 minutes, they'll speak Igbo throughout. They cut people head, cut everything. You'll see another person will come and say, they not be Igbo. What are you talking about? Edo person, not they take people life. Yoruba person, not they take people life. Must you always
Not
defend
true. Not true, you
that
talk.
doesn't even make sense? You don't see they'll just come. No, these are not true Igbo. How do you define what is true and not true? Thank you, my sister. I appreciate you.